Yeah. Sana ba si Aki Boy, oh? With Aki. Si Kuya Jerry? Jerry. Ito tayo sa Shimano Cycling Festival. Ito na yung the day. De, ano to? Marshalls. Ayun, oh, maaraw na, oh. Oh, maaraw na.
As much as the
Morning,
weather
sir.
is giving us certain sections, we have to reroute on flooded areas.
To you by Maxxis Tires.
Alright.
The i2
610 na.
2025 version, the full Bluetooth i2 Shimano that's out here in the Philippines. If you want to test it out,
Ooh,
go to the
totally
Shimano.
wireless XTR, up to date 2025, and I heard it's 30 to 40% faster. I can feel the energy already.
You have the energy, have the discipline, be safe for your families, and so,
Woo! Putek ride. Dito mo makikita yung ano eh. Putik ride. Last lap na ako. So Mudfest. Last lap na. May tinulungan tayo ng isang tropa. All good? Prone talaga kasi sa chain drop. Sobrang putik. Enjoy lang. Alrighty. Solid. Stop na kami ni Kuya Jerry. Group ride na. Daming trouble eh. Chain drop. Pare-parehas kami tatlo chain drop. Hindi naman masyado maputik eh, no? Kunti na lang. Puro na kami pasyente. Ayan eh. May pasyente. Ang pasyente laging green. Chain drop. Kuya Jerry. Kuya Aki. Kailan pa huling trail saka pa na sa chain drop. Well, ito na. Woo-wee! Woo! Uy, may pangalan pala.